Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're already signed in, so begin by focusing your query. Type exact phrases in quotes, include from username to target an author, and add filter, media, or filter, links if you need images or URLs. Use since, yimmdd, and until, yimmdd to set a date window. Start with a narrow combination, for example, from Elon Musk #rebrand since 2023-01-01, because targeted queries return fewer noise results and make the next steps faster and more precise. Once you have base results, refine using advanced operators and UI filters. Add lang n to restrict language near. City place for location-specific posts, and use min faves 100 or min retweets 50 to surface influential tweets. Combine Boolean logic like climate or sustainability advertisement to broaden while excluding ads. Make sure to toggle latest versus top results depending on whether you need chronological context or highest engagement. As you adjust filters, observe which changes remove noise. To finish, save useful queries and bookmark or add tweets to a collection for later review. If you need raw data, export via X's API or an approved third-party tool, making sure you respect rate limits and privacy rules. If results are missing, double-check operator syntax, remove extra spaces around colons, and simplify the query. Often a single keyword reveals whether the platform has matching content. If you still see nothing, try different time ranges or switch top/latest to surface older or more popular posts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.